Welcome to Hallie's Creations. Today's project is an embellished jean jacket. If you enjoy this tutorial, a great way to say thank you to Hallie is to subscribe. And remember to set your notify for you. Won't miss out on future video creations. Subscribing is a great way to help Hallie grow her channel. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Hallie's Creations, and we are going to just jump right into this. Thank you for joining me. This particular jean coat, super easy to do. So without any further ado, let's do this. So first I spray painted with an airbrush, as you can tell, with a stencil, the design that I wanted. So you can pick any design you want. You can put the stencil down with a little airbrush, done. And that gave me the background to add the pearls. Now these are flat back pearls, and we're applying them with the Mod Podge for fabric. So that's the trick there. Don't use regular Mod Podge, but use the Mod Podge for fabric. And you can also use different adhesives to do this as well. That for fabric. And if you want to wash it, make sure it's washable. So here, just keeping it real simple, I'm using the stylus. I picked that up from Amazon. Yeah. Has a little wax tip on it and it works great. So here we're just going to go ahead and just put them on whatever suits your fancy. I'm not filling in the whole design because the design within itself is really pretty and very simplistic, and I'm kind of a little minimalistic. I don't want it all cluttered. So I'm just going to accentuate the design with the flat back pearls. So that's what we're doing here. And then we're going to jump on and I'm going to talk you through the rest of it. So here we're giving you a little close-up as far as just the detailing, because like in this particular stencil, and I picked this stencil up on Amazon, and it is on my Amazon list. I do have a profile set up for Hallie's Creations, so you can go on there and you can pick up the different things that I use for the different projects that I do. No, I do not have an affiliated link, but I just haven't felt like that's the importance. I just wanted to make sure I had that profile set up for you can go on the supply list for the different things that I have, and you can see what I'm using. So that's what's going on in Hallie's world. Eventually I will have affiliated links, but at this time I do not. But the Amazon profile is on there, Hallie's Creations. So just go on there, check the different supply lists, and there you go. So here again, I am just applying the flat back pearls with the Mod Podge. That is for fabric. Keep in mind too that you always look at the directions as far as how long you want it to cure before you actually wash it or whatever. The dishwashing Mod Podge is different from the fabric Mod Podge, which is different from the Mod Podge. So keep that in mind. And when you're buying Mod Podge, unless you're really gonna go nuts, just get the smaller ones. That's fine. That goes a long ways, and you don't want to waste it. You don't want it sitting there drying up on you. So that's there. And then while I'm dilly-dallying and playing here, let me remind you to subscribe and set your notify if you are enjoying the different shares that I do in Hallie's Creations. And also keep in mind that I not only do this type of work, but I also am an artist. So I do the palette knife painting, the regular painting. So I have a playlist for that. I'm playing with watercolors and such too. And what I do is I kind of do what I'm doing here, and then I kind of talk you through it, make it really easy peasy and simple for you. All types of different crafts and wreaths and bottle art. So instead of going through the whole list of everything, I'm going to put a little insert down here to kind of show you real quickly. But also just check out the playlist. I have a ton of playlists that you can go through whatever you're interested in. And you can pick and choose, and some are older videos and some are newer videos. So yeah, and they're pretty much just follow along. So here we're just going to go and work on this a little bit more, make it more detail orientated, and I'll be back. Here I'm applying more Mod Podge, and what I'm doing, just to keep it simple for you, is I'm using a paintbrush, and I decided, why not? I decided to go ahead and Mod Podge over all the painted part. That way it doesn't wash out. It protects it a little bit more, and when you wash it, it should come out perfect, I hope. I have never done the Mod Podge fabric like this, so disclaimer. But it should be fine because Mod Podge is a good product, and as long as you cure it and you don't crazy wash it, I would turn it inside out, wash it gentle, delicate, and I wouldn't, don't dry it. Do not dry it. You have those beads on there. So just a gentle wash, hang it, let it dry. But again, I'm going over the fabric and I'm doing the outline with the Mod Podge, putting the flat back beads, and that's pretty much it for this. You just design it the way you want. So remember to subscribe and set your notify if you're interested. If not, it's okay too. And help a girl grow a channel, but it's okay if you don't. And yeah, that's it. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some more on here. I'll do another little insert to show you some of the different things I have on my channel for you can see. And if you're interested in any of those other things to learn how to do, I would be happy to share that with you. Yeah, I would. So we're just going to go ahead, fill this all in, play a little bit, relax. This is cheaper than therapy. I think the beads cost $10. They're probably a little bit more now because I bought this a few years back. Mod Podge is about $5, $6 for the smaller bottle. The little applicator, couple dollars, Amazon. You can get Mod Podge at any hobby or craft store. Same, Amazon. And the same with the flat back beads. You don't have to get them at Michael's. You could actually get them. I mean, Amazon has a ton of different styles and colors and such. So you can do that, and they last forever because they come in different sizes. So you can put them on large to small and give it that little. Design just a little more pop. They're not all one size, so I'm glad I thought of that to share that with you. They're not all one size, so get the ones with the different variable sizes for you can add and accentuate. On the dragonflies, I use some bigger ones, and then I put for the tail smaller ones. That's an example. And I did the dragonfly on the arm as well. And the reason I did the dragonfly design with the sunflowers, this was for a very dear friend of mine, Denise. Hello, your imaginary friend. I even put that on the inside. But I made this for her. And here's why. And I don't think she'll mind me sharing. But she had come to the aid of a young lady that was in need of covering. And so she gave her her coat. And when I heard that, it was like, wow. And it took me a little while, but, I thought, I want to pay it forward, and I want to do something special for her. So she loves her jean jackets. So for her to give someone one of her jean jackets That was huge. That was a God thing. That was obedience to what God laid on her heart to do. And she did it. And so I thought that was really cool. And the lady she did it for just happened to have the same name as my mom, which is extremely unusual. So yeah, I just wanted to do something sweet for her. So that's what this is. That's the story behind this jacket. A little personal information. As we just kill time while we're putting the little things on there. I told you, this is therapy, man. It takes a while to do it. It's not going to happen overnight. But just have fun with it and play with it, and just put your accents in the way you want. And that's it. So I'm going to pop off here, and I'll jump back on in a few as we wrap it up. And meanwhile, we're just going to enjoy some music while we put these little pearls on here and make our design. A little reminder, as you're doing this, remember that we put the Mod Podge over all the paint to keep the paint from fading out as you wash it, and we're going to put the beads on it anyway. And Mod Podge what? Dries clear. That's right. So it'll be fine. And always put a board when you're working on fabric where it doesn't bleed through onto the other side. And sorry, I should have told you that from the get-go. But yeah, put a board in there, just to like a shirt board or something. Enjoy the Mod Podge, putting that all on. Do the little sleeve. I did the little comment on the inside, and that's it. So here is the finished product. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for jumping on to Hallie's Creations. Of all the places you could have jumped onto, you chose my channel, and I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, have a good day and a better tomorrow. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and peace out. Bye. Hey Denise, I hope you liked your jacket. Bye.